Hello people, top of the day to you wherever you are across the world, worldwide, local, international. You know, it's a good day to y'all. Now I'm gonna welcome you to the first official Power of Smart Money video. If you're watching this for the very first time, welcome aboard the Power of Smart Money, the journey. Okay, my name is Taj, aka the Black Warren Buffett, and I'm going to be a trade master throughout this whole process. If you're having a look at the screens right now, you see a starting balance is around about 10,000 plus. I'm going to say it was 10,001 pounds. We've actually executed a few trades earlier, but in real terms, we're going to go with a starting balance of 10,234, which is the number right up there as of today, which is the 9th of March 2018. Yes, you can see all these trades that are currently live. These are just trades that we put on a couple of days ago, around about the first when we were shooting some of the test videos. We might also upload some of those so you can see when these charts were all looking reddish, or a few of them were red anyway. So without moving on, let me just quickly have a quick explanation as to what the concept is behind the Power of Smart Money. It's simply to find a group of say 20 to 100 savvy but opportunistic individuals. Might have a bit of experience in trading, might not overly important, and the idea is for us to all come together, pool some resources, financial resources to the value of say 10,000 pounds. So minimum investment or minimum fee to join would be about 100 pounds, maximum would be 500. We deploy this capital on some smart money trades. So we wait for the setups and then we execute the trades. These trade setups don't come every day. Sometimes you might have to wait anywhere between 3 to 12 months. Sometimes it can come literally every other week. But the main thing would be to wait for the setups, and then we deploy the capital, let that smart money work for us, double the money, and then we transfer funds back to every individual with the profits on top. I think what the current offer is around about 50%. Now, do note there's an element of risk to trading, so you know, but we would be explain the risks and probability of the successful trades, but hopefully most of the trades that we do take will turn out to be winning trades. But do note there is an element of risk, and there's a chance that sometimes some trades won't work out, but we're going to go for the strong trade setups. So without further ado, let me just say most of the description will be in the description below. There will be a link that will take you to the website, which will explain a little bit more about the smart money concept itself, pros, cons, benefits, high risk, low risk, and all that good stuff. Okay, so let me just quickly, I don't want to make this video too long. It's basically our first official video, so let me just bring up some of the charts of the current positions that we have open. I'm probably going to I'll go to the pound yen. So we're now looking at the daily charts. You'd see that we have some circles already laced out here. We have a circle, you know, it's just identifying, you know, we're identifying certain key positions. So the market around about the 9th of October 2017 hit this price level over here, did a reversal, took about another month to come down to this price point over here, which was the 28th of November. It hit this price level here, did a reversal, went up, spent about 3 months, no, that's from November all the way through to March. So yeah, you could say about 3 months, hit the same area here. Unfortunately, on this occasion, which we did activate a buy, you can see this little small dot here, it did not do that in reversal straight away. So basically what happened is it penetrated support, went all the way down for a few days, and obviously we didn't get knocked out, and the market is back up past that entry level. So we have we have 4 positions here, which you can see over here. We have a point at £5, £2.55 and 2.5, and the market basically is currently in the positive. I mean, our first target on this trade would be round about this area here, 15,000 really, on this, yeah, around about this zone here would be our first target. But we will start to move our stop loss up as soon as we've gained a little bit more profit in this area, just in case the market decides to do a reversal and go all the way back down to somewhere down these areas or wherever the next support is. But the next strong support, I believe, would be around about this zone here. But for now, our focus is going to be the market moving up there, and then just trying to protect whatever profits that we do have. So like, this is a daily chart for anyone who's new to trading. It's a daily chart, so each candle, and this, something like this here, is a candle. This little one here is also a candle. So each bar represents a full day's worth of trading. I'll quickly zoom out just for anyone who's learning for the first time. Go to the 5-minute chart, which gives us a little bit more what's going on in the immediate now. Market generally, I mean, the Forex market opens or works on a 24-hour basis, does close on a Sunday, but reopens on so it closes on a Friday around about 10 o'clock on this particular platform, which is IG Index, and then opens up on the Sunday around about 10 o'clock UK time. So this is what's going on the 5-minute chart. Market's basically just been going up. So not really that much to say at this junction, apart from we just wait and see what goes on with this trade. I'm going to move away from there, and I'm going to come into Wall Street. Wall Street is basically the Dow Jones. Anyone who's been keeping an ear to the ground on what's been happening, Trump's always moving the market either up or down. The other day we had a big drop. I'm just going to quickly, we had a big drop round about, actually that started I think last week Friday, yes, where he made an announcement to do with bringing in some tariffs, introducing some tariffs on steel coming into the country. That sent the market into a downward spiral, which is why you see this big drop down here. Market then closed Friday, opened Monday, gap down, and then I think, you know, people in the market start to really process this and think, well, it wasn't really going to have an overall impact unless we go into trade wars with China and say maybe Europe, as in the Americans going into a trade war with China and Europe. But that hasn't happened. I believe Trump signed some orders yesterday. But long story short, market's been on a move, upward move, and hence I think we have two positions on this. One position was opened on the, let's see now, that position was opened. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. Oh, on the 7th of March. Okay, so we opened this position the 7th of March. And we also opened another position, I believe that was yesterday, the 8th of March. Right, so I'm just going to zoom out a little bit just to give people a little bit of an indication why some of these trades were activated. So February, we had a big correction all the way down. The big boys came in, you know, pension funds and big trading organizers came in, bought up the market. Market spiked all the way up there. Did a little bit of a pullback. You know, you have Fibonacci's going on. Everyone's got different reasons why they get involved in the market, whether they're buying, whether they're selling. So markets come down to this region here, and there's almost like an embedding candle here. But basically, we have activated some trades based on the fact that we, on our strategy and what our indicators, we believe the market is going to go all the way back up over the next, say, month or two. Hence, we are already in this market. If the market does gap down, we have our stop losses in place. We have certain positions that we get alerts and we trigger our stop loss so that we reduce our losses. So this is the Dow Jones. It says Wall Street because I think, what do you call this? Yeah, it's called Wall Street instead of Dow Jones on this platform. I can't remember the right terminology to explain it. Okay, the last quick chart I'm going to run through before I kill off too much time would be the German DAX. Okay, so on the 5-minute chart, we got only one trade open in this position. Same reasons as the Dow Jones or Wall Street, as in the chart I showed you a minute ago. Basically, this is on the daily chart. You can see this zone here. There's no circle, but this zone here, there's a bit of support here. Market hit that same level, spiked all the way through, but bounced back up. So this level here, see this level here, penetrated it, did a reversal same day, went all the way up, came back penetrated it again, came down to about these price zones here, and has done a reversal, and it's on its move up. I anticipate with the German DAX over the next, say, 3 months, anyway, it could be anywhere within the next month to 3, could be 6, God knows, but from our calculations, we anticipate that the DAX is going to go up. The global economy is strong at the moment, so hence we reckon there's going to be more buyers coming in and buying up all the different stocks in the German DAX. But that's just, you know, we are technical traders, so we just go with what the chart tells us to trade. And at the moment, we're in a positive. Anything can happen. It could go down, drop into negative, but at the moment we're in a positive, so we just keep an eye on it and protect our capital. So that's basically it. First Power Smart Money video, official, 9th of March, and the time is literally 11:29, and your boy Taj, aka Black Warren Buffett, is about to sign out, and I'm going to play you this fantastic beat that, you know, we just found just to sign us out. So enjoy and have a good day. Happy trading, people. Click on the link below, and if you're watching this for the very first time, you know what to do. Have a good day.